we just quickly glance at some of the AI agents that we have, the first two that we have at the top, mobiHelper and mobiOps, these are not specialized agents. If you're new to CMMS system or new to the application, what they will do is they will route you to the right agent. An example, I ask how many windshields that I have in stock. If I ask one of these two, they will route me to either the inventory page or they will call an agent that will be able to process such requests. And here we have our specialized agents, so some under work orders and requests, some under planning, some under asset management, inventory, health and safety. So these are the ones that we have out of the box, but keep in mind that you can build your own agents. So if you have a more specific requirement or some niche requirements, you could create your own. So it read the equipment list, it found that asset specifically, and then it read our date meter policies, our PM for this truck. And here I see that we have a monthly basic inspection that's coming up in 2 weeks. And then we have some that are upcoming in 2026. It also gives you a little note, the most immediate maintenance due is the one coming in December 27. You can also generate this as a table, put some priority or conditional formatting. Remember the good old days, you would need to export to Excel your preventive maintenance list and then sort on due date and then conditional format. So here with a few prompts, we can generate this. It gives you the vision of how it can grow. And I think here we have about a dozen agents that's all working together, that's looking on ChatGPT, that's reading maintenance manual to give you essentially a maintenance strategy. Ultimately, if we look at these, they'll generate text here, creates a date meter policy, and the next step creates the date meter policy line. So these would be your work procedures and substeps.